Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you change nickname on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile page. Next, look for the Edit Profile button, it's usually right below your profile picture. Tap on that. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Edit Your About info. Under the Details About You section, you'll see an option that says Other Names. Tap on Add a nickname, a birth name, or something similar. Here, you can choose the type of name you want to add, for example, nickname, maiden name, or alternate spelling. Select nickname from the list. In the name field, type the nickname you want to use. Below that, you'll also see an option that says Show at top of profile. If you want your nickname to appear next to your full name on your profile, make sure to check that box. Once you're done, tap on Save or Save Changes at the bottom, and there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.